Welcome to Cute Speech Word of the Day, brought to you by SignCueQuest, the app that includes the Cute Speech Adventure game. Our word today is review. Some people say review with 3 to the mouth, re, 2 to the side, f, and 8 to the chin, u. Review. Others say review with 3 to the throat, re, 2 to the side, v, and 8 to the chin, u. Review. And other people say review with 3 side down, r, 2 to the side, v, and 8 to the chin, u. Review. I am reviewing my doctor's notes carefully. Tom is reviewing his history class notes for the exam. I briefly reviewed the book, then decided to buy it. We will review our accomplishments. The movie review is perfect. Let's review what we learned from this experience. Did you know? What does the DCLP do? DCLP stands for the Deaf Children's Literacy Project, and it does 3 things. First, it provides resources for developing cueing proficiency to promote language acquisition and literacy at home and in schools. Second, it collaborates with state early intervention agencies and family-based organizations. And third, it supports families through individualized mentorship. See the link below for information about the DCLP. Thank you to my sources listed here on my Hall of Fame. The links for these sources are given below this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time for another Word of the Day. Have fun with your cute speech adventures.